going on? Damn car won't start. Everything comes on. You know, the radio works, but car won't start. I've been sitting out here for damn near an hour now trying to start this car. Sometimes it used to start when I wiggle it back and forth like that. Usually it'll start, but since last week, it's been it's been really hard now. It wouldn't start at all. I've been sitting out here for an hour and the car wouldn't start. I do hear some people say it's common with GM cars, with Impalas and Monte Carlos and stuff. That is the ignition switch. I'm hoping that's what it is. I'm hoping that changing that would take care of this problem, man, because this is annoying. I know the car is okay, but this thing is just so annoying. You know, I'm glad I'm off work this week, because if I had to go to work and this happens, I would have been really mad. But I don't know. If anybody has a different opinion, please let me know. Thank you.